Welcome to Planet Golf's review of TaylorMade Aeroburner driver, and I tested the Freewood and the Hybrid earlier this year in Kent on a couple of links courses. This time I took the Aeroburner to Canada with me, playing 7 courses out there. What I really liked about it, there's 3 technologies going on in here at the moment that TaylorMade have brought into this driver. The first one you're going to notice is the fin, just the same as that's on the Freewood as well. That's again for aerodynamics to stop drag, so you get more speed through the air, and that works with with the crown here. If you have a look at the crown, it's a bit like like the cyclist helmets that they wear in speed trials. That the way they have that it funnels out, and the crown actually does that, and them 2 things work together again, all to give you as much power and speed behind the ball as you can, so you giving you more distance. And there's also this speed pocket here, and that has helped create a bigger sweet spot, and it also helps give the face less spin. So when the ball comes off it, and it works for what's good about that for 2 reasons, both for low handicap players and high handicap players. Because if you're a high handicap player and you've got a slice or a hook, the more spin that's imparted onto the ball, the more it's going to exaggerate, either going out to the right or going out to the left. For a low handicap player who wants to play with a bit of a draw and a bit of a fade, but doesn't want them turning into a hook or a fade, it gives them more control. And that goes by the stats now that are on the European Tour and on the PGA Tour. The most played club driver on the Open Championship was still the R15, but now the Aeroburner is the 4th most used driver on the tour. So that just shows you how much the pros are enjoying playing with this club as well. I mean, obviously they can put different shafts in it, and you can get a choice of the shaft. I always say go and get a custom fitting so it can fit to you. I use a stiff shaft. That's because I know what my swing speed is and everything. And that's something that you should do as well. It's a great club. I love the sound off of it. It is a real meat sound, and the courses that I've played, especially when you're treeing, it echoes round, and I like that. Plenty of distance, and as I said, plenty of control, which I like. So, as always, I would say, go and test a few drivers, see what's best for you. But it's definitely a club that I would recommend putting on your testing list. Good luck. Bye for now.